Hello fellas, today we are going to react to The Girl on the Train official trailer by Parineeti Chopra, Aditi Rao Hydari and Kirti Kulhari. It is actually, I have seen the original movie and it is one of the fantastic movies of all time, but the bad thing is about it is that I already know about the suspense and this might be I don't know. Let's see how it goes, because I have seen the movie. I know what this thing is, and the main person who was actually in that version was that was Emily Blunt, and it was amazing movie. It actually having a little bit slow in the start, but when after the interval, when it catches the story, you actually want to know what it actually happens. So we are going to react to this particular trailer. Let's see how it goes, how it's actually gripping and everything. I'm really excited, so let's see. But before starting the trailer, I'd like to request you to please click the subscribe button, also bell icon, so name is simple for me. And without further ado, let's start.
मैं रोज इसी रास्ते से जाती हूँ और उससे मुलाकात होती है। उसे देखकर मुझे मेरा बीता हुआ कल याद आता है।
हम एक फैमिली शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, तुम, मैं, हमारा बच्चा।
She is everything I lost. समझ नहीं आता ये जेलसी है या फिर मेरी चाह। Hey! मैं हूँ मीरा कपूर और ये है मेरी कहानी।
मिस मीरा कपूर, मैं हियर फॉर अ मर्डर इन्वेस्टिगेशन। क्या आप इन्हें जानती हैं? इनकी बॉडी हमें ग्रेनिच फॉरेस्ट में मिली है। नहीं, कितना झूठ बोलेंगी आप?
एमनीजिया इज मेमोरी लॉस। ब्रेन डैमेज की वजह से न्यू मेमोरीज क्रिएट नहीं हो सकती। मीरा 6 बजे ग्रेनी स्टेशन पे उतरी थी
और वो 6:30 बजे नुसरत के घर के बाहर खड़ी थी।
And then she reaches her home at 11 p.m.
मेरा कोई मोटिव नहीं है मर्डर करने का।
One day I'm going to kill you.
Wow.
मेरे बीते हुए कल से कुछ वक्त खोसा गया है और मैं वो वक्त याद करना चाहती हूँ।
Do you think तुमने उसे हर्ट किया होगा?
याद नहीं।
रिमेंबर, याद करने की कोशिश करो।
मुझे याद करना ही पड़ेगा कि उस रात को क्या हुआ।
I need a phone, cash and gun.
कौन हो तुम? क्या चलता है?
I want the truth.
मुझे अपना पास्ट नहीं बदलना। I want to change my present.
She had her secrets. I have to remember.
Wow, amazing. I would say the casting is really nice. Casting is absolutely amazing, because I have seen this particular movie. It was in the place of Aditi Rao Hydari, it was like Rebecca Ferguson, and in the place of Emily Blunt, it is Parineeti Chopra. So it is like it might be really nice to see how this particular thing has been changed, or it is like same the story as it is. I'm not going to tell you the end, but it's this might be the thing which might help you to get a small spoiler if you like to know it, but you can just slow it and you can hear what I have said. But this was the amazing movie which I told you that in the start it is really slow. I hope they do a little bit of fasting, because it is like in the original version it is like too slow. They're bragging like too much in the first part. The second part, you just want to know what is actually going to happen. It was really nice. So this was the reaction, this was the review, and I would also like to request you to please click the subscribe button, also bell icon, so name is a bit from me. And until next reaction, next review, I would request you to stick like this.